runs this shithole?
Yes, sexy lady. You have strong meat fingers. Maybe we go for a date and eat pig taco?
What the fuck do you want?
You run this place? Because I just got out of juvie and I'm looking for a job.
Oh, yeah? You think you have what it takes to run with my girls? What's your name, PYT?
It ain't Billie Jean. It's Lucy.
Well, I'll see you tomorrow, Lucy. Now beat it!